There's a new, easy way to pay for your properties abroad. Introducing AQWIRE. With AQWIRE, you can pay for your reservation, amortization, or condo dues from abroad. First, go to realestate.acquire.io/your-property-developer and click on Pay Now. Then, type in your details. Some of the details may include the project name, type of payment, payment amount, your name and email address, as well as a note that you can put for your property developer. Then click on Next. On the next page, you can review your payment details to make sure you put in the right payment information. After which, put in your card information, the number, expiry date, the security code at the back of your card, and click on Pay. You will then be notified if your payment was a success and will be given an official AQWIRE receipt. This receipt has all the information about your transaction, including who and where your payment is going to. And you're all set. AQWIRE, Global Real Estate Solutions.